Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a really calm, cozy evening pamper routine. Once again, I'm really enjoying these videos, so make sure to grab yourself a lovely cup of tea or hot chocolate and yeah, enjoy the video. So the first thing I do is obviously run myself a bath because that is very important, and then I am going to be sorting my hair out. So if you know and you watch my videos, you'll know I've been bleaching my hair for the past few months and I've ruined it. I've now dyed it back brown and I'm sticking with it. I do not trust bleach in my hands anymore. So my hair is really fried, so I'm going to be applying this hair mask. This is actually Argan Oil's hair mask and it's like £1. And I think it's from B&M, I believe, or Home Bargains. You have to try it. It is so good. It leaves my hair feeling absolutely incredible, really soft, really smooth. I know this is gonna fix my hair. Sorry if you can hear my little baby in the background making that noise. I do apologise, but this is the way it's got to be because it's very difficult making a baby be quiet just so I could do a video. So once I've got that hair mask in, I'm going to leave it in the whole time that I'm actually in the bath. Now the next thing you're going to see me do is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. It's called dermaplaning, and basically I've been feeling really run down lately with my health and just in general, so I've really gone in tonight and I've really pampered myself. So I'm going to be dermaplaning my face. I've only done this a few times, but I've been wanting to do this for the longest time now. And basically, I'm just going to take this razor. You can get them from eBay, Amazon, Superdrug, anywhere really. And just gently, I'm just going to be taking the peach fuzz off of my face. If you want to see how this is done and you want to try yourself, then I can definitely do a video for you guys, or you can obviously YouTube it and I'm sure someone's done the video. But if not, they do it in salons and places like that. So, but it's a really good idea because when you next apply your makeup, your face is just so smooth. It makes a massive difference. And also, obviously, I will be cleansing my face, which is using the Biore cleansing rose quartz. It's so good and leaves my face feeling amazing.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with you.
Next, I'm going to be taking my favourite thing ever, which is the Garnier sheet masks. I absolutely love these so blooming much. I literally feel like a princess when I'm doing these. I just feel like it's such a treat for me. They are just amazing. If you haven't tried them, you really need to try them. So I'm going to leave this on for the longest time and just chill in the bath, and I don't even care if it's been on for too long because it just makes my skin feel so good. Okay, so now I'm out of the bath, I'm going to be taking off that sheet mask. Wow, my face feels so blooming good. You have no idea, you guys. You seriously need to try this. If you haven't, you should definitely try. And honestly, put it in the fridge and it just makes it so nice and cold. It's just, oh, amazing. So now I'm going to be using the Pixie Glow Mist. I really love this. It's just the perfect mist that adds glow no matter what you're doing. You can set your makeup with it, you can prime your face with it.
There's something different about us. We're pouring Sipping cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up, even if what we're doing is.
So next I will obviously go downstairs and after bathing Olivia, get her settled in her pyjamas and let her have her bottle whilst we just chill and have some cuddles, and then she might have a little play on the floor as well. I like to give her a lot of tummy time before bedtime because it actually tires her out and she just sleeps so well through the night now. I've not had a problem with her sleeping since sort of 5 months. She's just brilliant, honestly, amazing.
Still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
So Liam was actually cooking tonight, and whilst I was waiting for dinner, I just had the TV on and just getting my camera footage imported into my laptop, so then when Olivia's gone to bed I can just crack on and get editing. So now it's time for dinner. We had lasagna, garlic bread and chips. It was so good, I was in love with it, and Olivia had some, I think it was like a pasta spinach mixture, and she really loved it.
Something different about the way we are.
Okie dokie, my lovely. So now it is time for the best time ever. This is what I usually do pretty much every single night, is have a hot chocolate. This one is the Maltesers one, and I know a lot of you guys are going to say, why didn't you add milk? But when you add water and then you add a little bit of milk, it's so nice. And I also added some Maltesers as well.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different.
So now it's time for me to edit my videos for the week, and Olivia's in bed tucked up asleep, and Liam will usually go on Fortnite or whatever he does. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are new, I really hope you enjoyed your first video. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video and comment down below your favourite part, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!